Hello, my friend. You may remember a review I did not too long ago or I should say an experiment I did not so long ago, where I mixed the DuraClear Iridescent Varnishes, the turquoise and the violet together, and I got this beautiful shade of blue. And I did that because I couldn't get my hands on DuraClear's Iridescent Blue Varnish. Well, I found a wonderful website in Sweden, and I was able to get my hands on the DuraClear Iridescent Blue. I'm so excited to see what this looks like, and then we can also compare it to the mixture we did and see just how close we got. I'm so excited. I literally cannot stand it, so let's get started. See, I'm opening it for the first time in front of you. I have not even taken a peek yet. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Here we go. Holy smokes, that is bright. That is so pretty. I definitely see a big difference in the color. But before I compare them next to each other, I want this one to get another coat because that one, the other canvas that I did, has 2 coats. So I just want it to be a reasonable comparison. So we're going to let this dry and then we'll do the other coat and then we'll come back to compare. I'm so excited. Oh my God, it's so pretty. It's so cool. It waited so long. Okay, deep breaths. Deep breaths. Oh my goodness. It's literally been minutes. I already did the second coat. I did some of the sides just to make it look pretty. And look at this blue. It's like a glorious, shiny, satiny TARDIS blue. Oh, it's just so stunning. All right, let's compare it. Wow. It's amazing how close I got to the color by mixing the iridescent violet and turquoise together. But nothing beats the real thing. Holy smokes, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I can't wait to find tons of reasons to use it, but not too many reasons because I'm not sure I'll be able to get another bottle. I will definitely provide the link to the website where I purchased mine. It did come from Sweden, but it did not take a very long time. I would say maybe 3 weeks at most for me to get it, so that was definitely a plus. Oh, God. I can't tell you how awesome it feels to have this in my hand and to see it in person. It's just so beautiful. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, my friend, and I hope it has inspired you to never give up, to continue searching for that one particular item or brand that you've been dying for, because it's possible. Magic does happen and it does exist. Oh, it's so awesome. Oh, thank you so much, my friend. Have a magical day.